Let's talk about none and null. Both used to represent undefined or unknown values. None stands for not a number. It is a floating point value that represents an undefined or unknown value. None is often used to represent invalid mathematical operation such as dividing by 0. Note that none can only be used with floating point data types. We can use IsNan function to check none values. On the other hand, null represents an unknown value. Null can be used with any data type, including numbers, strings, and objects. IsNull function can be used to check null values. Here I am inside the notebook, creating a data frame of 2 records. In the first record, we have values 5 and none type. Note that we defined with float data type. In the second records, we have none data type and then 10. This is the data frame. Here we are using IsNan function to check the values whether it is none or not. If it is none, then it will return true. If it is not none, then it will return false. Here we are getting false for 5 and true value for this none. In the second records, we are getting true for this none and getting false for this value. Let's take another example for checking nulls. So here we are creating a similar data frame with 2 records, 5 and none, then none and 10. So this is the data frame which shows 5 and null, then null and 10. Here we are using IsNull function to check for null values. If it is null, then it will return true. If not, it will return false. Here for the value 5, we are getting false. For the value null, it is returning true. Similarly, in the second records, for null, it is returning true. For the value 10, it is returning false. I hope you understand the difference between none and null values. Also, I explained how to use IsNan and IsNull function.